Alright. Well, the clutch on the T1 is locked up again. So I'm assuming that it's the same thing that happened the last time, where as it sat, it got goo leaking out of the gearbox into it. So I'm gonna pop the tire off here. And get at that gearbox, or that clutch on the side of that tractor there. Because we don't have to take the gearbox out, we can just pop that clutch off for servicing to pull it out and clean all the carbon discs in it. So. Yep. Now, the clutch is 1.5 millimeter nut hex bolts. That just pops off of there. And the 1.5 millimeter set screw on the clamp. Allows all of those those are all gooed up. I am gonna get some. Yeah, all these are stuck together. So I'm going to get a dish of alcohol, and I'm going to pop all these out and get them in that dish. To get the schmoo off of them. Okay, I have Q-tips with rubbing alcohol to wipe off this inner clutch face here. Of course, the clutch is supposed to be clean and dry in there, because this is not supposed to be a wet clutch, and that's the problem, is it keeps working getting goo in it that sticks it up. So And then each one of these carbon discs has to get carefully washed off again. Alright, so this clutch pack has 7 of these eared carbon fiber, and the last time we took this apart, remember there's one fat one, and I put the fat one in first to build our clutch pack, and then I stacked the rest on here because the round ones with the ears, there's only 6 of those, and they have hex keys cut out of the middle of them so that they drive on this collar. And if we do this stack just like so, alternating the ears and the hex pieces, then we should end up with a hex piece on top of the stack, and that hex piece will stick against the fat earpiece that's in the case already. Okay, so that's the release on the clutch, and that is turn that so that my set screws up. The clutch is released, so we put our collar in, put our set screw, and that spins freely, and now it turns the collar. So that should now let it be a little bit looser. There, now it's clutched and much looser. Alright. Now we'll just take and carefully line up all the ears so that when we put our outer shell on, okay, let's try that again. Get our ears lined up, and then oh, you know, that's the solution to this. If we engage the clutch while we hold the ears lined up, then it'll hold all those in place for us. Should be able to just slip this on. Put our 3 screws in. And then there we go, clutch out, and it's not turning the gearbox anymore. So, all right. Yeah, alright, well, I'm gonna have to get that front and back clamping wheel hub put together, but actually I forgot, this is the wrong size. There we go. I did get it lined up. Okay. I grabbed the there we go. Alright, I'll finish putting that tire on and then we should have a clutch again.